Hi, I'm Andy Tyrrell and welcome to River Cottage.
So, on with lesson 1, we're going to look at a farmhouse loaf.
I've been teaching baking courses here for years. Last time round, we did a sourdough course. We really got into the technical details of sourdough. This time around, we're going to look at yeasted baking.
We see the doughs have grown really nicely. They've risen up.
With this course, we're really going to focus on sourcing great quality produce. We're going to look at adapting your methods, your techniques to suit those products. And then we're going to look at how to get the best out of them so you can be a complete baker with a great all-round knowledge. So across 4 lessons, we're going to focus on sourcing the best possible flour you can find. We're going to be slowing things down to get more flavour out of those ingredients. We'll look at the techniques used to incorporate more water into the dough, how to hold it all together. We're going to be looking at enriched brioche dough. We're making cinnamon rolls, making doughnuts, and some wonderful fruit loaves. With each lesson, I'm going to give you an assignment.
I'd love you to be sharing exactly what flour you're using in the online classroom.
I'd like you to comment. I'd like you to bring up any challenges that you have. I'd like you to interact with each other in the classroom and learn from each other. This course is standalone, but also it partners beautifully with our sourdough course. Both courses together will give you a really broad spectrum of knowledge that will cover every aspect of baking.